The effect of copper on bacteria and viruses has recently been the subject of a number of articles. Those are all in reaction to a number of recent studies, which have explored the capability of copper to kill the coronavirus. The antibacterial and antiviral nature of copper was discovered long before the outbreak of the coronavirus. It was discovered centuries ago by ancient civilizations, which led to the use of copper in various health applications, including in water vessels to purify drinking water. In modern times, copper has been the subject of numerous studies by the scientific community, as well as attention from the World Health Organization. In one recent study, researchers stored water contaminated with bacteria in different water containers, including copper and silver, in order to determine their efficacy at removing biological contamination from drinking water. The study revealed that the copper vessels had a significant inhibitory effect on the bacteria in the water after only a few hours of exposure. In addition, in 2008, the United States Environmental Protection Agency published a study showing that copper surfaces are proven to continuously reduce bacterial contamination and provide continuous antimicrobial action, even with repeated exposures. The study also found that copper surfaces continuously kill over 90% of bacteria after repeated exposures during a day, and deliver continuous long-lasting antibacterial activity. The first notable study in regards to coronavirus, published by the Centre for Biological Sciences at the University of Southampton in the United Kingdom, focused on coronavirus. The study found that the virus persisted in an infectious state on common surface materials for several days. However, when the surface material contained copper, the scientists observed rapid inaction of the coronavirus. In particular, scientists found that the coronavirus was rapidly inactivated on copper surfaces, with the inactivation rate being roughly proportional to the percentage of copper in the metal surface. In particular, metal alloys containing 90% copper were found to inactivate the virus in 30 minutes, or less. Many other researches states that the virus can remain active for several hours to days in aerosols and on surfaces. Although, when the virus lands on copper, it can be killed within a few minutes. No wonder, since so many years Indians have believed that drinking water from copper bottles has various health benefits. Copper has been a favorite of many since several years, as it is considered as a natural, passive, and antimicrobial material. The surface of copper can self-sterilize without the need for electricity or bleach. Ancient Indians used to throw copper coins in rivers, lakes, ponds and wells. Today's generation, without thinking of the meaning behind this act, are ignorantly throwing nickel and aluminium coins into rivers, which is harmful to the environment. The idea behind throwing coins into water is not about the blind faith of river worship, but to kill the harmful bacteria in water with copper. And this purified water would be useful for living beings.